Okay, so let's say you have a drip right here that is coming from the defrost of the freezer. So there are two ways to go about this. You have a clog somewhere. This thing has 4 screws in it, which I popped out. It comes down. And there is a collection tray here. This collection tray might be clogged. You see it has a hole in it. That hole connects to this hole, which goes down to your drip pan, which is underneath your refrigerator.
That hole goes to this big pan underneath, if it's working properly.
What I did first was I attacked it from the freezer section. I took the shelves out. There were 2 bolts up top here, and then this just slid right out into the side. And so here are the 2 holes. This is the hole that these 2 holes connect to the fridge. And what I did was I turned the machine off, and then I took a funnel and water as hot as I could get it from the tap, and I just started pouring water down until it flowed freely. And another thing to note is the drip pan could get full. You might want to have a siphon and a little bucket, depending on how much water goes in. The trays are pretty big, but you don't want the water to overflow on your floor after you pour a bunch of water in.